Hey everyone, Reed here. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite features to come out recently for the Power BI service. The ability to add comments and even have conversation threads inside of the report interface. Now this feature has been around for a while with dashboards, so I'm really excited to see it now in reports as well. So let's hop into the Power BI service and get started. So there's a couple of ways to access the comments pane, and to get that to show up, add comments or review comments that already exist in there. I have in front of us a Power BI template app that I built off of the Google Analytics report, and I've scattered a few comments in here to talk about a couple of interesting data points. So as an example, from the very top up here, you will notice that there is a comment button. What that does, you can see there on the right, is that toggles the comments pane on and off. Now with it on, you can see that there is a message history in here. So as they end up adding messages, they do pop up here, as well as the ability to add comments down here, go to previous and next, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and close this pane again. Now the other way to see the comments that are attached to the specific visual that I written them about, take a look that if I start to hover over certain visuals here, like this one as an example, we can see that there's a little icon that has a comment. So that means there's a conversation thread on this visualization. So if I click this, it takes the pane open right here. 13 days ago, looks like I noted that proportionally high Google search results traffic for my Power BI versus Excel comparison page. And if I click this bookmark icon here, that will apply all the filters that were part of this conversation, meaning whatever filters were being applied when the person was looking at this specific set of data. So if I click that, you'll see that some things change on the page. I've actually updated the filter selection, and then down here, the data has now been filtered, and if I hover over that, we can actually see exactly what filters are being applied. So it immediately let me navigate directly to the data that was being observed when this person made that comment, and I can continue to comment in here and say, wow, awesome observation. Let's chat more about this. And if I hit post, that now pops into there, and then that message thread continues. And again, I can also change the filtering if I want to as well. I can drill up, drill down, and that will keep that navigation, allowing easy ability to see whatever data that other person was seeing at the moment of their commenting. Go ahead and reset to default now. There we go. Now inversely, I can go to some different site pages. So if I go to day and time details, there can be other comments as well. Notice now that there is a new comment specific for this page. Over here is a comment related to day and time details. So what that does mean is the comments thread that you will see on the right is specific to the report page that you're on at the moment. And as far as I can tell, there is no master comments feed that shows you all comments for every pages, so you do need to navigate to the page to see if there's any ones related to that. And again, if I click this bookmark icon, it will take me to the moment and the filters where this comment was made and what this person was looking at. So in this case, I have now filters for, looks like a specific time and day. So it's 12 p.m. on a Tuesday. And that is actually what the comment says. There's a much higher session duration during the most popular time of the day, which is Tuesday at 12 p.m. PDT, where I'm from. So overall, not much to it. You basically can make a comment and then it will bookmark the current selection you have, but it makes it really easy to have these threads without having to resort to emails and screenshots and then having to explain to the person what filters they need to apply to get back to your data. And that about covers it for this video. If you liked this video, please click or smash that like button below. If you have anything to say about this video or have a suggestion for a future video, please add that down to the comments section below. And if this is your first time here or you want to see more of these awesome videos, please click that subscribe and notification button. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video.